Hi, this camera is named Canon EOS 2000d. In the basic kit, there is EFS 18 to 55mm lens, some with stabilization and some not. But is buying it still worth it? Well, let's see. Among all of these cameras, they are cheap and expensive. Really expensive. Then there's mine, Canon 2000d. And to be honest, it's worth it, but actually not. Yeah, it's really good beginner's camera, but there are better. Like this one, Canon EOS R100. The rating is almost 8 out of 10 in the travel section, 7 in the landscape photography, and overall good rating. So, what's the result?